Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. Y'all know the routine. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you like this type of content, this channel was RC related. We do everything RC here. And today is Throwback Thursday. And so I'm back out here at the park again. And this time I have this guy. So this is the Bayang Toys X9. This is a Blade Nano Qx clone. I don't know if you guys know what the Blade Nano Qx is, but that's a classic quad from Blade though. I actually have one, but I don't have any props on it right now. And the canopy is all cracked. So I'm gonna get a new canopy for it. So maybe the Blade Nano Qx will end up on one of these Throwback Thursdays once I get a canopy for it and throw some props on it. I actually brought it with me. Maybe I'll show it in this video. Maybe I'll swap the props out and just use this canopy here for it. I don't know, but anyhow, the X9 is a clone of that, and this flies really nice. It's from Bayang Toys, so it's on the Bayang Toys protocol. It can be flown with multi-protocol transmitters, and so that's what I'm flying this guy with. Has really deep pitch. The yaw isn't really that fast, but the deep pitch really makes up for it. And the fact that this guy flies really nice is also making this thing one of my favorites. And it did come in another color. I can't remember the other color that this guy came in. But anyhow, this is one of the various Blade Nano Qx clones. When a quad has a bunch of clones, that lets you know that it was widely accepted by everyone as a good flyer, and the Blade Nano Qx is a really awesome flyer. And this one, I think this one actually flies harder. This guy accelerates upward faster than the Blade Nano Qx usually does. But a lot of people were swapping out the motors on the Blade Nano Qx for the insane motors from Micro Motor Warehouse or some other type of high RPM motor. And that actually increased the flight performance of it and made it fly hard like I desire from this guy here. But anyhow, let's get this guy up in the air so you guys can check it out. I am flying it with one of these little stick packs. It's a high voltage pack, but I usually only charge them up to normal voltage. Maybe one day I'll charge it up to high voltage and see how it gives it more kick and all. But to me, these batteries work a whole lot better than the batteries that usually come with these, because these batteries usually come with a higher C rating. So this is 60 C to 120 C burst. So definitely a little more punch for it. But let's get this guy in the air. PH 2.0 connection is the connection that I swapped it to. Check it out. I haven't flown this guy in a while outdoors. Hope you guys can see it, being that it's green and there's all this grass out here. But it does fly really nice. The deviation, it does have more pitch. The pitch is insane actually. So let me show you guys the pitch on it. Check it out. It's so light though that this thing can get pushed and its path can be altered by the wind really easily. It usually goes up in the air when wind hits it. So it does flip nice. Let me try a flip with it. Really fast flips. Oh, didn't like that flip there. As you can see, it banks really nice. Let me show you guys the best of a funnel. That's a full funnel there, full pitch and yaw. Really can't see it that well when it gets far away out here, being that we're in grass and this thing is green. I like doing manual flips with it because it's so light. Oh. Oh, I think I did a double manual flip there. You can't really see it with all the green out here. Yeah, you can't really see it. So let's just cruise around with it. Bring it in a little closer so you guys can see it. It does have lights on it. The lights are really close to the body though, closer to the canopy rather than out on the outer ends of the arms, and so that makes it not really a really good night flyer because the lights are pretty close together, but you can fly it at night. It is doable, I guess. Let me see if I can get it to fly around the tree without crashing it. It's so light that I find it really hard to break one of these actually. And it's really flexible, so I've had this thing since I got it, which was I think about at least 6 years ago. Man, there's a swarm of bugs right in front of my face. Thinking that maybe I should have flown this at the classic location because of all the green that's out here. Really easy to maneuver this thing around these trees because of how well it banks and all. Maybe I might show this guy again. Maybe at the classic location, in case you guys can't see it. I guess I'll be able to analyze the video once I get it home to get a look at it to see if you're actually able to see this guy in this video here. Can spin around on one motor pod. Oh, maybe I'll fly it up high. Maybe you guys can see it better up here. That's me spinning around on one motor pod there. Let me try a manual flip up high. It does them pretty fast. Let's do a button press flip. You guys can see how fast it flips. Flips over really fast. Oh, you got some flashing now, no more flips. Oh, it still flipped again. Oh, that was the last flip. It's not going to flip anymore because we're at LVC. I don't know if it's a false warning or not, but it's not going to let me do any more flips. It doesn't feel any weaker or anything. But let me bring it in anyhow because I don't want to risk it going down far away from me in this grass. It'd be hard to find. So you guys look at it before I bring it in. The Bayang Toys X9. Pretty awesome Blade Nano Qx clone. Thanks for watching.